Thank you, sir, for conducting this type of podcast. So, guys, watch the video and.
Guys, you should enjoy.
So, guys, you should enjoy.
This is actually rain. Our podcast. This is one kind of rain. हमारा podcast क्या बोलिए? Our podcast. This is one kind of rain. You can enjoy.
You can enjoy.
Really, you can get. ये बारिश हो रही है।
बारिश हो रही है।
हमने अपने शब्दों के जरिए
बारिश करवाने की कोशिश की है।
हमने अपने शब्दों के जरिए घरों में, आपके घरों में समोसा,
पकौड़ा, चटकारी चीजें
बनाने की कोशिश की है। हरियाली
पैदा करने की कोशिश की है।
सारी चीजों को ब्लूम करने के लिए, खिलने के लिए
इतना अच्छा जबरदस्त शानदार
क्या होता है, माहौल होता है,
बारिश
होती है। Rainy weather, people, this is amazing kind of nature, you can say that, कि how does it impact human body? If rain start, right, वहाँ बारिश हो रही है और यहाँ हमारे मन में एक और बारिश होती है। Actually this is the बारिश of the पकौड़ी, चकौड़ी and also something चटकारा, something actually you can say that कुछ पूड़ी, कुछ चाय मिल जाए। So मतलब रैन बाहर हो रही है बारिश और हमारे अंदर भी बारिश होने लगती है। खाने पीने की मतलब कितना how miraculous, how tremendous you can say that na impact we are getting. This is the rain. The rain start falling there outside. People start making the pakoda. People start making the tea. People start enjoying. Lots of enjoyment people they are doing with the family rainy time. Really, that is so notable point. That is so hilarious point. How amazing kind of people they are enjoying in this weather. Because amazing kind of अरोमा, स्मेल वी आर गेटिंग। एक अजीब तरह की क्या होती है, खुशबू आती है। एक क्या आता है, एक ठंडी हवाएं, ऐसा लगता है जन्नत की हवाएं आ रही है जब बारिश होती है। दिस मोमेंट रियली सो नोटेबल, सो हाईली नोटेबल कि हाउ डू वी फील व्हेन एवर रेन स्टार्ट हैविड एंड स्टार्ट फॉलिंग। ओके, सो दिस इज द मिराकुलस। नाउ वी कैन से दैट ना कि इम्पैक्ट में impression which is actually we are getting on human body. Okay, would you like to say something? बहुत important बात बताना चाहते हैं। बारिश के मौसम में हमें थोड़ा सा अवॉइड भी करना चाहिए। सम टाइम एक्चुअली वी सा की बहुत बिजली आती है, राइट? सो देयर इज़ अ वन काइंड ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंट कि आपको लोग पेड़ ओड़ के नीचे चले जाते हैं। पेड़ के नीचे हमें बिजली में नहीं जाना चाहिए क्योंकि बिजली वगैरह ज़्यादातर पेड़ों के ऊपर क्या होती है, गिर जाती है। तो वी शुड अवॉइड, वी शुड keep healthy ourselves, safe ourselves कि whenever heavy rain start falling we also have some kind of bijli, so we should go safe places, thunder, right? We should go safe places. We should not go under the tree because many time people they are shocked with the current of the thunder, right, bijli, and they die immediate. So this is also notable point. We should remember this point. Remind, जब भी हम बारिश में निकले तो हमें ध्यान देना चाहिए सेफ प्लेस जाएं। बिजली वगैरह अगर कड़क रही तो वहाँ हमें ना जाएं, अपने घरों में रहें, एंजॉय करें, चाय पानी पकौड़ा चकौड़ा जो भी मन कहे। Would you like to say something about this moment? How do you feel, Zoha?
When the rain fall, everybody want gossiping with family member from the outside in the home, but out area where the air is passing clearly, and in the rain time as like air is as like heaven, and when the rain falling, so many children are take a bath and roaming here and there and enjoying a lot.
Right, explain something. You should be extraordinary here, guys.
I feel delighted in this season. This season is very attractive to me. I love this season lot of, and many people love this season, and many people does not like this season. But I love this season because I feel cold and fresh in this season, and tree look like very beautiful, and our earth is look like greenery, and river and pond fill in the water, and this weather support our nature a lot of. Thank you so much.
Everything look dynamic, active and greenery. हर एक जगह हरियाली, हर एक जगह हरियाली. How
when the rain fall, trees are very happy and roses are blooming, and all the creatures are looking very happy.
This is really gifted, great gifted of the God rain. Actually, you know, जब भी बारिश होती है, whenever rain actually start falling, all the creatures, all the proli, makluk, whether right we talk about the trees, plant, grasses, small छोटे छोटे पौधे, छोटे छोटी चीजें, छोटे छोटे trees, plant, area, ground, everything ऐसा लगता है हंस रहे हैं, खिल रहे हैं, एकदम bloom कर रहे हैं, एकदम पूरी तरीके से क्या होता है, greenery रहती है, बहुत ही जबरदस्त, spectacular, glorious, splendid view actually create. This is the power of nature. Really, we could not express in our own words ki how miraculous, how unprecedented view, how untold, right, things create while rain. Really, this is miraculous.
Thank you very much.
At the end, thank you sir for conducting this type of podcast. So guys, watch the video. And
Guys, you should enjoy. Like
so guys, you should enjoy.
This is actually rain. Our podcast. This is one kind of rain. हमारा podcast क्या बोलिए? Our podcast.
is
This
rain.
is one kind of rain.
Rain.
You can enjoy.
You can enjoy.
Really, you can get.
Really, you can get.
ये बारिश हो रही है.
बारिश हो रही है.
हमने अपने शब्दों के जरिए
हमने अपने शब्दों के जरिए बारिश करवाने की कोशिश की है.
हमने अपने शब्दों के जरिए
हमने अपने शब्दों के जरिए
घरों में
आपके घरों में
समोसा
पकौड़ा
चटकारी
और कुछ चटकारी चीजें
बनाने की कोशिश की है.
बनाने की कोशिश की
हरियाली
है.
पैदा करने
की कोशिश की है.
सारी चीजों को
और सारी चीजों को
ब्लूम करने के लिए
ब्लूम करने के लिए खिलने के
इतना
लिए
अच्छा जबरदस्त
इतना अच्छा जबरदस्त शानदार
क्या होता है, माहौल होता है,
माहौल होता है.
बारिश होती है,
जब बारिश होती है
बहुत ही जबरदस्त माहौल होता है.
बहुत ही
तो
जबरदस्त.
दोस्त आप लोग एंजॉय करिए बारिश के मौसम में और बारिश का, लेकिन अपना सेफ्टी का क्या रखिए, ख्याल रखिए. The point, the idea which is clicking in my mind, right, for 1 month, really that is extremely severe, valuable, profitable, serviceable for every creatures in this universe, in this premiere. Really, this point, this topic, so useful, profitable for everyone. So ladies and gentlemen, I welcome everyone today podcast. This podcast based on highly vital, integral, crucial topic point. This is the rainy weather. This is the rainy time, rainy weather. Actually, we are enjoying, we are looking, we are realizing, feeling कि how glorious, spectacular view, stunning, adorable moment. Really, that is so super, so exciting. We could not explain in the word कि how stunning, how adorable moment. The moment the ephemeral rain start falling, the ephemeral rain start coming, the ephemeral when the weather is going to create a season and cloudy weather. Really, that is the super and supering, so glorious, spectacular, fabulous view scene create in our heart, in our mind, especially in this universe. Ki how great, how paramount nature we could not imagine by sitting here, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, we can never create such kind of dark, cloudy, even also such kind of glorious, spectacular, fabulous weather. Really, this kind of scene give us lots of happiness, delighted, great in our mind. Internally, we realize, oh, how amazing, how comfort, how relaxed, how solace we are feeling, realizing. We could not explain this word, this key, how amazing kind of expression, moment, feeling is created in our mind. So, my dear friends, this is the podcast of the rainy weather Have you experienced many times, we all guys who are sitting, who are watching my video, everyone has experience of rainy weather, right? You know, especially when the rain start, we start immediate sudden, we start realizing, feel one kind of amazing, fabulous, tremendous air which is so natural and cool, which is actually touching, which is actually right now touching our body. We get emotionally right, so glorious. Have you experienced?
Yes.
राइट एक मौसम जो पैदा, बारिश शुरू होती है और बारिश गिरने के साथ साथ उसके साथ जो ठंडी हवाएं आती है वो कितनी नेचुरल होती है और कितनी ज़्यादा राइट ना कंफर्ट जोन हमें फील करती है. हम उसको क्या कर सकते हैं, बहुत अच्छे तरीके से फील कर सकते हैं कि रियली कि हाउ ग्रेट, हाउ पैरामाउंट नेचर. नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू मेंशन one of the most vital, integral, crucial, obligatory, mandatory point. This is the key. How are we living? Ki how great water and rain for the human being life. All the creatures, more than 18,000 creatures actually living, surviving in this world, in this universe. Everyone, they need water to survive healthy and happy, delighted life in this world. In this world, all the creatures, they need water. There is a famous proverb, prominent proverb is that water is our half life. Without water, we could not create any kind of product, any kind of food material for and agriculture, harvesting, never ever. It's a mean trees, plant, flowers, agriculture depend, human being, insect, animal, all the creatures, they require water. They require water. So really water is our half life. We should not waste the water. We should not exploit the water. We should not dawdle the water. We should try to utilize the water because lots of vital integral product item. One of the major uses, this is really huge, enormous, vast, extensive uses of water. Key electricity also has been produced with the help of water. With the help of water, this time electricity also play a huge, enormous role, especially in our life, because all the technical electric product item, they are being operated with the help of electricity. Multi uses actually in our life. We have water, we have lack of water in our body, so really we feel. Another point I would like to mention here, really this is notable, highly notable point. This is exactly, we should know that if rain stop 1 year, so I think that people, insect, animal, trees, plant, everything, they start dying. Everywhere you can say that drought broke out. Everywhere famine broke out. We have lacking of water, we have lack of actually food, deduction of material, vegetable, food, harvesting. Everywhere we have problem if water or rain stop. Alright, so really guys, this is how amazing, glorious, tremendous, fabulous, spectacular and glorious point. So in this podcast I will ask multiple questions. We have two candidates, Miss Zoha and Mrs. Pratima ma'am. They will also elaborate, emphasize, exaggerate, describe value, virtue, quality, skill, merit of the water as well as rain and rainy weather. Rainy weather, how does it impact in human body life? How does it impact in our life? How does it impact animal, insect as well as plant, tree, flowers? Everywhere we can see impact impression of the water and rainy weather. You saw, guys, have you realized many times when rainy weather came, now we saw everywhere greenery, everywhere हरियाली, हर एक जगह हरियाली होती है, चीजें क्या होती है, बदलना शुरू हो जाती है. ऐसा लगता है, it seems that कि really how nature, how beautiful nature, garden, flowers, garden, right, and field area, ground area, farming area, everything is also start blowing. Everywhere we see greenery, nature everywhere. That scene really create spectacular, glorious, splendor view scene, which is so impressive, attractive, adorable moment, and short ephemeral for all the creature, this is the power of nature, ladies and gentlemen. ओके, नाउ स्टार्ट सेशन. दोस्त क्या करते हैं, हम कुछ सेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं, कुछ क्वेश्चन आज के सेशन में स्टार्ट करेंगे कि रेनी वेदर क्या इंपॉर्टेंट होता है और इसके लिए कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है. राइट, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट कि हाउ डू यू सी रेनी वेदर, प्रतिमा मैम. Actually, how much essential, how much paramount, how much valuable rainy weather for all the creature. Start, you have mic.
Good evening everyone. First of all, I would like to say that rainy weather is very useful for any one person. Without rain, our life is incomplete and farming is not grow. Our farmer wait rain to grow our crop, and without rain we cannot produce any things and not create electricity and etc. So rainy season is very crucial in everyone person life. Without rain, I face lot of problem and everyone face lot of problem.
All right, wonderful, great, elaborate, comprehensive, actually, right, idea actually you put, right. Okay, now Zuha, I would like to ask one question ki how do you feel while rain falling? During the rain time, the moment, the feeling actually come to your mind. So please express in your own words ki how do you realize, how do you feel right during the rain, when rain start falling. So how is that moment, right? Please.
Firstly, thank you so much, sir, for conducting this type of podcast. Hi everyone, it's me Zuhair Shad from class 12th A. So I explain everything how I feel in rainy weather. I feel in rainy weather very solace and very amazing. If it doesn't matter, I am in school and in home and coaching. When the rain fall, I feel very good and very feeling comfort zone. And when the rain fall, I thought the empty room and one cup of tea and the talk with Allah. So it's behind the reason I really love, adore rain.